Okay, let's dive right into this explainer. We're going to explore what is absolutely the most defining technological shift happening right now. I mean, we are literally standing at a bizarre crossroads in human history. On one side, we have this incredible promise of AI solving our absolute greatest scientific challenges, but on the other, we're looking at an internet that is drowning in cheap, automated garbage. So today, we're going to unpack the complete impact of agentic AI, look at exactly how this latest shift started, and figure out what it actually means for our future.
Just think about the sheer weight of this quote for a second. This was posed directly to OpenAI CEO Sam Altman at TED. And honestly, it perfectly highlights the massive, massive stakes of our current technological trajectory. We aren't just talking about some cool new app hitting the App Store. We are talking about a fundamental shift in how humanity operates, how we create, and how we interact with information. So it really boils down to this. Is AI saving humanity, or is it destroying the internet? To even begin to answer that massive question, we have to understand exactly how we got here. We need to look at how the underlying technology just fundamentally changed beneath our feet in the developer world, and what the true, unfiltered impact of that change is on our daily digital lives.
Section 1. The tech stack shifts. Let's see how it all started.
So for the last couple of years, we've pretty much relied on simple text-only back-and-forth chatbots. You talk to it, it talks back to you. Simple, right? But the industry has fundamentally shifted to autonomous agentic AI. These new systems have a persistent memory of exactly who you are, and instead of just generating text, they can actively click around the web. It's not just a chatbot anymore, it's an autonomous actor working on your behalf. To put that into perspective, developers have this radical new toolkit right out of the box now. Instead of writing all these complex, hacky workarounds, they can just grant an AI native web search capabilities. It can browse Google. It has built-in file search and vector databases to read massive documents in seconds. There are new agent SDKs that use basic flowchart logic to build incredibly complex apps. It can even use automated GitHub actions to review code quality without a human ever laying eyes on it. The AI can fetch, read, reason, and act entirely on its own. Section 2. The promise of agentic AI and those utopian visions.
This shift is so incredibly massive that the entire way developers build applications is changing overnight. As summarized by developer channels analyzing recent OpenAI updates, the traditional tech stack is essentially becoming obsolete. Actually, scratch that. It's being entirely replaced. The goal here is to turn AI into a brand new operating system. Think about it. In the future, you won't open a specific app to do a task. You'll just ask your agentic AI, and it's going to go push all the buttons in the background for you. Take Sam Altman's vision, for example. He's picturing this world of incredible material abundance. In his view, agentic AI is the literal key to rapid scientific discovery, uncovering room temperature superconductors, or even curing diseases. He sees a near future where AI knocks out an entire software engineering project in a single afternoon, and ultimately acts as a lifelong companion that learns about you over decades. It's a flawless, incredibly capable vision. But we have to flip the coin here. Section 3, the rise of AI slop and a dystopian reality. Look at this. About half of all internet traffic today is driven by bots. 50%. And AI has absolutely supercharged their ability to create destructive, low-effort content. When money is made through sheer attention, autonomous agents become the perfect tool to generate fake traffic, flood comment sections, and just completely poison online discourse.
Because of this, researchers are actually saying we are living in the golden era of soulless slop. And here's the kicker. AI companies trained these insanely powerful models on the uncredited, unpaid creative work of humans. Every Reddit comment, original video, and digital drawing. Now that stolen creativity is fueling this massive black hole of meaningless LinkedIn posts, endlessly rewritten Amazon books, and weird AI music invading our streaming platforms. It's cheap, mediocre content designed for one thing, to soak up your attention.
Which brings us to a really dark place. Section 4. The death of truth and a broken internet.
Walk through this with me to see how a totally made-up AI hallucination basically becomes reality. The team at Kurzgesagt ran this brilliant experiment researching brown dwarf stars using AI. The AI boldly invented fake facts, like the speed of brown dwarf superstorms, just to make the topic sound more exciting. Well, they traced this fake fact back to an AI-generated news article, and then, weeks later, a new, viral AI-generated YouTube channel repeated those exact same fake facts. Now, when the next generation of AI scrapes the internet for trading data, it's going to view that viral video as the absolute truth. The misinformation is officially locked in. And it gets worse. By 2025, researchers had already confirmed well over 1,200 automated news sites out there just pumping massive amounts of AI-generated misinformation directly into our daily feeds. The sheer volume is staggering. It's completely overwhelming human fact-checkers. The real danger here? AI is just so eloquently and confidently incorrect. It will casually lie straight to your face, and because it sounds so smart doing it, we blindly trust it. We are effectively letting a complex hammer that doesn't even know what a nail is add broken, fake shelves to the library of human knowledge. It's actually gotten so bad that researchers have been caught sneaking hidden white text into scientific papers just to trick automated AI reviewers into giving them positive grades. If we can't trust our research, the death of the internet as a reliable tool truly begins. So where does this leave us? Section 5, the inevitable future. What is next? Well, the creators of this technology, like Sam Altman, openly admit they are riding an unstoppable exponential curve. He states that this is basically like a discovery of fundamental physics. The world knows about it now, and it simply cannot be put back in the box. Agentic AI is going to push way past artificial general intelligence into superintelligence, and society, well, we just have to adapt to it. We're essentially forced to balance this wild duality right now. On one hand, you have this literal miracle tool, capable of curing diseases, writing complex software in seconds, and potentially pushing humanity into an era of massive abundance. But pitted right against that is a dystopian reality, where our internet is soaked in sheep slop, built entirely on uncredited human labor, destroying our attention spans and totally blurring the lines of truth. I'm going to leave you with this final thought to chew on. As this entire tech stack violently shifts beneath us, moving us from simple little chatbots to fully autonomous agents roaming the web, what is the ultimate outcome? Are we building a world of ultimate scientific clarity and boundless creativity, or are we irreversibly drowning the truth in a sea of automated slop? Think about how you use this tech today and what you are willing to accept tomorrow. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and remember, keep questioning the algorithms around you.